Welcome to another edition of Brian's Big Idea. I am Brian Bolin, and I'm the aggressive growth stock strategist here at Zacks Investment Research. And my big idea today is tech stocks. You know, tech stocks are hot. They've been hot for the last, 20 years, probably still getting hotter. And I think there's a lot of reasons to like a lot of different tech stocks. So I'm going to give you a broad base of ideas here of 3 tech stocks that are all Zacks ranked number 1 strong buys. And then we're going to talk about one of our great services here at Zacks, headed up by Andrew Rocco. Don't call me Rocco, call me Rocco. Andrew is a great guy. He lives on the other coast. I live in South Florida on the West Coast. He lives on the East Coast. All right, let's go right to it. What do we got? We got BlackBerry. This just shows how old I am. I remember when BlackBerry was the thing. BlackBerry, BB is the ticker. It's a Zacks ranked number 1 strong buy, D for growth, F value. All right, so the story with BlackBerry and only a $1.4 billion company was they used to make the phones and everyone, they would call them crackberries because everyone was on them so much. I loved my BlackBerry that I had a long time ago, but the iPhone and the Android have killed that market. BlackBerry is now focused really on that connected car. And I think we're going to see a lot of big things coming forward over the next couple of years here with the connected car and how we can make that better. But BlackBerry, definitely a name to watch. $2.42, still a big market cap there, $1.42 billion. We got a lot of shares outstanding, obviously, but a name to keep on your radar screen. Obviously, they just reported earnings here, and it was a solid beat. Stock has popped, dropped, popped, dropped. We're looking for a run, maybe to $3. I'm gonna keep a close eye on this one. This could be a great Zacks stocks under 10 portfolio service that I manage and never talk about. All right, here we go. Our next one is DocuSign. You've heard of it probably. DOCU. If you haven't heard about it, it's a Zacks ranked number 1. It's a strong buy. They have an online technology that allows you to sign documents digitally, right? Digital signing of documents. So it's great when you're buying a house, buying a car, buying something, or signing up for a service of any variety. You're going to want to sign these things. Lots of forms to sign when you're buying a house. $14 billion market cap. Company beat back here, as we can see, and has been off to the races. Obviously, everyone believing that the Fed going to lower interest rates, going to spur home buying activity, means DocuSign is going to come back. And I think that still happens. We're a little bit, crazy on the interest rates, even though the Fed cut rates have gone back up a little bit. So we're going to know where interest rates are going soon. Next week, after the election, Fed interest rate cut coming again, if you believe the cut cycle is still on course. All right, my last stock that I'm going to look at is Yext. YEXT is the ticker. Zacks ranked number 1 strong buy. A for growth, C for values. This almost fits in my Zacks ranked buy videos. They're all about customer acquisition, and you can see a beat there, big pop, and that what we like to call a post-earnings drift higher. You know, after you feel like you missed the move here after a big earnings report, stock pops. That's for all the people that were in it. But then as everyone starts doing their homework on the stock after that, why did they beat? It was a good quarter. It doesn't look like they're going to have another good quarter coming up. And if they do, they're going to get a post-earnings drift higher. And we see that a lot in the market. And at only $903 million in market cap, this stock's got a lot of room to run. Only a 17 times forward price to earnings multiple. All right, so that's my 3 stocks for you to look. Now, we have a great service here at Zacks, and it's called Technology Innovators. It's paid for service. It's run by Andrew Rocco. Rocco, young, smart, into the tech stocks. He gets it. He is part of that tech community. He's got all the things that are fashionable about for tech people. He's got the tech guy beard. He's got the tech guy glasses. And he lives in Miami, which is like a hub of tech anymore, or at least it's becoming. It's a great spot. He lives in a great little community there. He's part of our great team here at Zacks. And as Tech Innovators, he's look at all these things that he put it out yesterday. All kinds of notes. I'm going to scribble up on some of these so you can't see them. It's too late. But, he just sold some NVIDIA. We can mention that because he's out of that stock. And he sold some other names there. He's made some gains. He has done very well in his service. Now, what do you get? You get 2 times a week, at least, you're going to get updates from Andrew. He is going to tell you all about tech stocks. And then He's also going to give you great stock picks. And, in the Tech Innovators series, he not only will, hold stocks for the long term, he also short-term trades. So he's got a good mixture of long-term holds and trades. So it's kind of like what a lot of people do in their own portfolio. So it's a great service. Andrew Rocco, it's Tech Innovators. Be sure to check it out. All right, that's it for this week. Be sure to join me next time and I take a look at another big idea in one of the great services here at Zacks. But till then, why don't you go to Zacks.com/promo to check out all of our latest promotions.